Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up some candied bacon in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. And if you haven't had candied bacon before, after I show you how to do it, you need to make some because this is some great tasting stuff. And we're going to get started on that candied bacon right now. Alright, so my ingredients for this candied bacon cook, I've got some applewood smoked bacon. This is some thick sliced bacon. I've got myself some Splenda brown sugar blend here. You can use regular brown sugar if you choose. Got some cayenne pepper I'll be putting a little bit of on. I've also got some Mrs. Butterworth sugar-free syrup. You can use any type of syrup you're choosing, but I will recommend you not use honey. I've tried it with honey. Flavor profile is different and just not as good. But any type of syrup with some brown sugar, and if you want to throw in a little cayenne pepper for a little kick, you can. And it usually works out pretty nice and sweet. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get 8 slices of bacon out of here and lay them out. Alright, so got my 8 slices of bacon laid out. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on some of the brown sugar and basically press that in. Then I'm going to shake on a little of this cayenne pepper. Then I'm going to put some syrup all over. And then I'm going to flip and do the same treatment to the opposite side. Alright, and just as I'm finishing up with this side, getting ready to put on the cayenne pepper and syrup, I'm going to start preheating the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to leave the temperature at 360 degrees. Going to lower the time to just 12 minutes. And so with that, I'm going to hit the preheat button, going to hit start. Going to let things start preheating while I finish this up here. Alright, that preheat is complete. I'm going to set the dough aside now. Now, basically getting 8 slices on is pretty tough, so you just have to kind of squish them in, but it'll be okay. Alright, got them all on. Going to close up the NuWave Primo now. Hit start and let this cook for 7 minutes, then I'll bring you back, but you can watch the time lapse. Alright, 7 minutes have passed. Hit the pause there. Now I'm going to flip the bacon over. You can see it's getting some nice searing on that side that was on the grill plate. Alright, got them all flipped over. I had one that almost got away from me there. So I get that grill, the dome back on, going to hit start. Let this cook out the last 5 minutes and then bring you right back. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of cooking for 12 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit with that preheat for this candied bacon. And now that it's done, I'm going to just turn it off and get that dome off. Have a look at that grilled candied bacon. Alright, I'm going to get a slice off of here for our taste testing purposes. And I'll get the other ones off and set them over on this plate. I will mention, you want to get this stuff off the grill plate. If you let it sit there and harden, it'll like stick to the grill plate, and you don't want that. Can you see that other side there? See that nice searing on the opposite side? So this turned out very well. Alright, now once you get your candied bacon off, it's still a bit flimsy. You want to just let it rest maybe 5-10 minutes. It'll stiffen up some from the syrup and such that's on it. So we're just going to let this rest and stiffen up a little bit. But when I bring you back, basically, it'll be taste test time. Alright, so here's our candied bacon after it's had a little time to rest. You can see it, well, that piece bent there, but you can see it's hardening. You know, it's hardened so that it's, you know, pretty stiff now. So let's do a taste. Requires 2 tastes. All right, that candied bacon is some primo good stuff, and you got to try this recipe if you've never done candied bacon. It's real good. I really like it. And so, you know, I'll have, since, you know, this is directed towards the primo and how to do it in primo, I'll have the written recipe at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can also always get to this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. Referral links for this cooker and others are in the video description. You can basically pay the same price you always pay at Amazon, but you help this channel out when you buy through those referral links. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.